So this is the second part of our trim and extend, in which I'm going to show you, extend in extend and trim. Sorry, extend in trim. So how the things are going to work. I'm going to draw a line here, another line, another line, another line. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim this particular line with respect to this particular, one of the lines. How exactly things are going to possible? Let us see. So tr, double enter, and you can see the things are not intersecting each other. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this thing. What is that? Edge. When I'm going to use edge here, you can see there's an option extend and there's another option no extend here. So what exactly the things are? Let us see. When I'm going to select extend here, right now you can see no extend is selected. That's the reason I cannot trim this particular thing. But if I'm going to select extend here, the AutoCAD is going to think that perhaps this line is actually extending here, and through that we can actually trim. And you can see when I'm hovering my cursor here, the things are going to trim. So this is how we can use this extend thing in our trim. So again, clicking on extend and click it, and you can see the things are getting trimmed. Now the same thing is going to happen in our extend as well. So what exactly I'm saying you, let us see. For the things to be extended, you can see the things, the boundary should be in front, otherwise the extend command cannot be we cannot use extend command. Like you can see here, I cannot use the extend command here. If you really want to make these two things at one place, you need to use actually the fillet command. But however, in extend also there is something called extend that we can actually use. So what exactly? Let's see. Ex double enter I'm doing, and then you can see here I cannot actually extend this line. But however, I'm going to use edge here. In that I'm going to have extend. So this is extend in extend. So click here on extend, and now what I'm going to do is I can actually hover my cursor over this thing, and you can see the things are getting extended. So what it's going to think is, if the boundary line which is in front, if it is extending a little bit here, then there's going to be a line, and based on that line, this line is going to extend, and you can see the things how they are actually working. So this is how we can use extend and extend. So that's pretty much about this tutorial, trim and extend thing. I hope you like this thing. If you want this kind of cool tips more, you can actually say me in comment sections. Until that, have a nice day, sorry, night.